Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 herbs that can naturally boost your immunity. We're talking about giving your body that extra edge in fighting off those pesky germs that love to spread, especially during the changing seasons. And who doesn't want to feel their absolute best all year round? Throughout this video, we'll explore some powerful herbs, how they work their magic, and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. We'll break down each herb one by one, discussing their benefits and the different ways you can enjoy them. Because who said boosting your immunity had to be boring? Whether you're a tea enthusiast, a supplement fan, or love experimenting in the kitchen, we've got you covered. Remember, everyone's body is different, so it's always a good idea to listen to yours and consult with your healthcare provider before adding new herbs to your regimen. Now, let's get started. First up, we have Echinacea, a powerhouse herb that's been used for centuries to combat those pesky colds. You know that feeling, that scratchy throat, the sniffles starting. That's your cue to reach for Echinacea. Echinacea is a beautiful purple flower native to North America. What's fascinating is that the entire plant, from the flower to the roots, is used for its medicinal properties. Pretty cool, huh? Now, let's talk about how it works. Echinacea is a natural immune booster, meaning it helps your body fight off infections more effectively. It does this by increasing the number of white blood cells, which are like your body's soldiers fighting off those nasty invaders. There are studies that suggest Echinacea can actually reduce the duration of a cold, so instead of suffering for a whole week, you might just bounce back in a few days, and who wouldn't want that? Echinacea is super versatile too. You can enjoy it as a soothing tea, take it in convenient capsule or tablet form, or even find it as a tincture. So there's really no excuse not to give this immune-boosting wonder a try. Just remember, while Echinacea is generally safe for most people, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor before adding it to your routine, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions. Stay tuned as we uncover the next immunity-boosting herb on our list. Next up is a fan favorite, especially during cold and flu season, elderberry. This tiny fruit packs a powerful punch when it comes to supporting your immune system. And the best part, it tastes delicious. Elderberries have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. These little berries are brimming with antioxidants, those amazing compounds that help protect your cells against damage. But here's where elderberries really shine. They possess antiviral properties. That means they can help fight off viruses, including those pesky cold and flu viruses that love to make an appearance, especially during the winter months. So, how can you incorporate this immune-boosting berry into your life? Elderberry syrup is a popular choice, especially for kids. It's sweet, tart, and can be mixed with water or enjoyed straight off the spoon. For those who prefer a more convenient option, elderberry gummies are a great alternative. They're tasty, easy to take, and perfect for on the go. Studies have shown that taking elderberry can actually shorten the duration and severity of cold and flu symptoms. So if you do happen to catch a bug, elderberry might just be your new best friend. As always, if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions, it's best to talk to your doctor before adding elderberry to your routine. Ready for our next immune-boosting superstar? Let's go! Let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice that's been used for centuries in traditional Indian medicine, Ayurveda. This vibrant spice not only adds flavor and color to your food, but also brings a whole lot of health benefits to the table. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which gives the spice its vibrant yellow color. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can be harmful. Turmeric helps to combat that inflammation, essentially calming things down from within. But here's how turmeric links to a stronger immune system. By reducing inflammation, turmeric creates an environment where your immune system can function more optimally. It's all about creating that inner balance for a healthier you. Now, how can you enjoy the benefits of turmeric? Well, adding it to your cooking is a great start. Turmeric adds a warm, earthy flavor to curries, soups, stews, and even smoothies. If you're looking for a more concentrated dose, turmeric supplements are widely available. And for those who enjoy a soothing drink, turmeric tea is a delicious and comforting way to enjoy its benefits. As always, moderation is key. And it's always best to check with your doctor before adding turmeric to your routine, especially if you're on any medications. Up next, we have another powerful herb that's probably already in your kitchen. Stay tuned. Let's talk about garlic, a staple in kitchens around the world. It adds incredible flavor to our dishes, but did you know that this pungent bulb is also an immune-boosting superstar? Garlic has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and the Greeks recognized its power and used it to treat various ailments. What gives garlic its potent properties is a compound called allicin. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped and is known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. Think of allicin as garlic's natural defense mechanism, and when we consume it, we benefit from those protective properties. It's like having a little army of germ fighters on your side. Garlic can help boost your immune system by increasing the activity of white blood cells, those crucial players in fighting off infections. It's like giving your immune system the backup it needs to stay strong. Now, how can you incorporate more garlic into your diet? Well, adding it to your cooking is the easiest way. Garlic is delicious in savory dishes, from pasta sauces and stir-fries to roasted vegetables and soups. If you're brave enough to handle the heat, you can even enjoy garlic raw. Just a small clove a day can provide its immune-boosting benefits. And for those who prefer a more convenient option, garlic supplements are also available. Remember, while garlic is generally safe for most people, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before adding large amounts to your diet, especially if you're on blood thinners. Up next, we have another warming and soothing herb that's perfect for this time of year. Stay tuned. Let's talk about ginger, a warming and soothing herb that's been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Enjoy it fresh as a spice or in a comforting cup of tea. Ginger offers immune support and anti-inflammatory properties. Its bioactive compounds, gingerols, give ginger its unique flavor and health benefits. Ginger helps combat inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting your body from free radicals. Enjoy ginger tea, add it to your cooking, or take supplements for convenience. Always consult your doctor before making significant changes. That's it for our top 5 immune-boosting herbs. Incorporate these natural powerhouses into your routine to stay strong and healthy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before adding new herbs to your regimen. They can help you determine the best approach for your individual needs and health conditions. Stay tuned for more videos on natural health and wellness. Until next time, take care and keep those immune systems strong.